Pulwali or Bodla, where they might have gone. It's been almost a year or so. When last time I came here in the summers of 18. Way more to go for the top. And I also had a bad crash, so my hands bit pains. I don't really know how much further we have to uphill, but after this nice view, I think it's worthwhile and it's worthy to uphill for this much play here. This is exactly where I took a photograph a year ago, the same place, and we had to go back. My fellows and my rider mates are way more ahead of me. Due to crash, I had to fall back, but I will catch them soon. I have to speed up. Way more to go now. I don't really know how much further I have to pedal. This is my first time on this track. Quite worth it. Temperature is cool now here, or I feel the winds might be the case, but it feels good now. This makes me to keep pedaling more, but this track never ends. So sick, so tough now. Ooh. Let's see how much time it takes. So this is for the Bodla 9 kilometer. The max is 15. Let's see. Now we are heading towards the Bodla village, and from there we might have to take a path from the Jabri or Shah Maksud. After a tough uphill riding, there is a chance of some nice and smooth downhill ride like this. If there is wind, I have used some foam or fur type piece on my GoPro microphones to make the sound quality better and for the wind noise reduction. And I don't really know if it makes some difference or not, but when I render my video I will see if this is better. If this makes some difference, then I will try to maximize the audio quality better. I might have to take some rest here now. I'm away from Bodla village and now heading towards Jabri. Let's see if I can make there. This was an unexpected journey today. I was with my fellows, but I have lost them, so I can't go back now. I have to uphill a lot. Today it was some bad experience due to not having complete accessories along with me. I got a flat in my tire, in my front tire, and I got almost 1.5 hours of being late. Now I don't think I can make it up to the Jabri. I might have to make my way from let's enjoy our ride today. Nice and slow. for the shot maybe. Yeah, it's quite dirty, you know. It's 23 kilometers until now, and I think now I have to ride almost 20 or 25 for my way back. It's 3 p.m. and I have only 1 or 2 hours of ride, so it was nice experience here for a quick refreshment, as you can see. And let's head back, guys. See you. A quick maintenance of the road. The politics. I have to speed up a little bit because with that much speed, I don't think I'm gonna make way back in the meantime. So yeah. I'm very much tired now. I did almost 15 or 16 kilometers of uphill, and I'm so exhausted right now. Oh my god. A tough uphill, and this is my challenge day, I think. This is not a riding, but this is uphill day. Okay then, it is a challenge day for me. Okay guys, so I think we are done with the uphill ride, and now we are all the way downhill back to the city, and let's see how this goes now. And I have make it confirmed that we don't have to encounter any other uphill rides. So let's enjoy our downhill now. You can hear the wind noise now as I'm speaking. My voice could be somehow clear, but the wind is the trouble now. another bridge is down, but it's okay. We have to take our way now. I have to get up there now. The downhill is almost done, and it's the same way that I came in the last ride, so I know how much further I have to go now. So yeah, I had a crash too in the morning, and one of my glove was here. I got a pretty bad hit, but thanks to these gloves my hands are saved, and it's a safety, that's why we do it.